Alright guys, I'm at Pete's Pumpkin Patch. And we got a bad case of gray clouds. Look at that, Levi.
Oh, wow.
And the place is closed, sadly. I wonder. Oh, do you see that lightning? No, keep on looking, just in case it appears again. Man, Mom was right. It is going to rain tonight. What are you doing? I'm going to flip the camera upside down. You see me? This should be upside down, right? Hopefully. We're on Highway 63. Well, it's located on Highway 63. Do you got anything to say about the storm, Levi?
It's a storm.
You're making me act like the weirdo that's recording a storm.
It's a storm.
Hey, you see this tower over here? Goats climb up there. What if they went to the top and what if one went to the top and accidentally fell off? You see that tower? Levi.
Yeah, I do.
What if there's a goat? Goats are supposed to climb up there, but what if there was one that climbed up to the top and fell? What would be your reaction?
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. I'm going to try and make the screen darker.
This is Levi now, okay. Tell me, what is this for?
Yeah, let's see what it does. Oh.
There's pointy.
There's pointy spikes on this. I really don't know what this is for, but it looks pretty painful. Do you poke your finger? Alright, back to me. Look at the dog go. Whatever you do, don't drop it.
There's a kid mad at his mom because he did not get McDonald's.
Yeah. Hey Mom, can we get McDonald's today?
No, son.
We got food at home. No, son, we got food at home. Nah. Alright guys, see ya. Alright, there's the poochies.
No mercy. No mercy.
No mercy for you.